Have you ever found yourself at the age of 15, 16 years old, and all your life you dreamed of driving a car, but when you become of age, guess what? You don't have a license. Well, here at Powerhouse Driving School, we can fix that problem for you. We can teach you how to drive, we can get you a license, and you'll be on the road. If you join this school, you'll be learning many wonderful things. First of all, you'll learn how to stop like a pro. Then, you'll learn how to take left-hand turns with great eloquence. Then, we'll teach you how to take a right-hand turn like a pro. And then we can also teach you how to parallel park with great eloquence. And then we'll also teach you how to watch out for pedestrians. You know, when people jump out in front of the car and scream and holler, we'll teach you how to handle those people with great eloquence. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a drive together, Clayton and I, and we're going to let you see what it's like to be inside the car at Powerhouse Driving School.